Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm here with the new video and I'm very excited to talk to you all. So today in this video, I will tell you about some great Muslim scientists and thinkers. So let's begin with this great knowledge and information, plus with the colorful entertainment on your screens right now. Like many of their later Renaissance counterparts, most Muslim scientists and thinkers were multidisciplinary and produced remarkable works in many fields. A few of the more famous scholars include Ibn Hayyan, known as the father of chemistry. Al-Khwarizmi invented algebra and was instrumental in the development of trigonometry, calculus, and the use of algorithms. Ibn Firnas developed the mechanics of flight before Da Vinci. He also built a planetarium. Al-Razi, a great physician who identified and treated smallpox. Al-Zahrawi, recognized as the father of modern surgery. Subhanallah. Ibn Sina, a very well-known physician, authored the Canon of Medicine and the Book of Healing. His writings were considered the authority of medicine for over 500 years. I didn't know this before. Did you know it? Let me know in the comments. Al-Idrisi made the first world maps that clearly showed North, Central, and South America. Ibn Rushd, a great philosopher, astronomer, and physician. Ibn Battuta, an avid world traveler, writer, and geographer. He visited most of the known world from Spain to parts of Africa to China. If you know any of the names of the Muslim scientists or thinkers that I am missing right now, don't forget to share with me. Once again, please do like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned till then. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.